Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of cyberglow.com. So it is basically an online platform that provides you with a wide variety of serums and other cosmetic items, especially for women. As you can see, this website is really well designed and the pictures uploaded are really high quality, and they have a lot of reviews going on their website, but we never know if these reviews are actually authentic or not. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have provided with us a list of testimonials on their website, and they claim that 94% of the users noticed less visible hair regrowth within 2 weeks, and even 92% of the users experienced smoother skin with fewer bumps and irritation, and 90% of users reported finer, lighter hair when it eventually grew back. So the thing is it actually backed by some data or some authentic information? But once I tried to search for it, I never came across any of the authentic clinical information about this product. So this is a major red flag. And apart from this, I searched for the physical existence of this platform. I didn't came across any of their physical existence, which is a major red flag. So their physical existence is not available, which raises concerns about the authenticity of this product. Apart from that, I tried to search for it on the Trustpilot website, and based on 3 reviews, it was rated 3.6 out of 5, which is a slightly underrated. And also, as you can see, it was only based on 3 reviews, which raises concerns about its legitimacy, because the 3 reviews, only 3 people have reviewed it so far. And once I tried to search for the reviews at trust score of same website on the Scam Advisor website, it has a worst possible trust score, which is just 1 out of 100, and it is actually based on 40 different elements, like who owns the website or the contact details hidden, where is the website hosted, which means like all these factors were worst possible. So in conclusion, I would say you should not buy products from this website because it's highly riskier and you never know what kind of product you are gonna get, and it may affect your skin. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys want me to review any other product or website, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.